birthday, Amara! Ito na yung araw na hinihintay mo. Ito yung araw na hindi mo mahintay-hintay na mangyari sa'yo. So ngayon, di ba, ito na, party mo na. And ito, binigay na ng magulang mo para sa'yo. Happy birthday! I love you!
To be told. It's a beautiful life. Every sunset, every sunrise, every new breath.
Lagi ka daw makikinig sa mga magulang mo and be good girl. Aral lang mabuti, ha? Okay, ate?
Sunset, every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the
Happy 7th birthday, Amara. Wish you good health and success and happiness always. I love you.
It's a beautiful life. Every sunset, every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment. It's a beautiful life. Here we are, on the edge of mystery we long.
Happy birthday, Amara. Enjoy your special birthday party and I love you.
Happy birthday, Amara. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate Amara. I love you.
Waving goodbye to our worries.
Hi, Amara. Happy birthday.
We run, we're not ever slowing down. We run, we're chasing down the dreams we found. Over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure is calling, so we run wild and free.
Ay ate, happy birthday. Message ko sa'yo, sana maging masipag ka, maging matalino sa school tulad ko.
Wild and free.
Happy birthday, Amara Tut.
Ate, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon birthday mo. Ginawa namin lahat para mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Sana happy ka lagi. Tsaka yung studies mo, yun yung ano.
Ayusin mo,
ayusin mo.
tulad ni Daddy.
Bursting with color, our hearts are open wide. The stars glowing.
Sweet, lalo na sa akin pag nandyan ako. Tapos every time na nandyan ako, gusto niya katabi na ako matulog, gano'n.
Lagi siya nagpapahal.
Slowing down, we run. Chasing down the dreams we found. Over the
Driving now. I'm on my dream.
I love you daw, ate.
no adventure is calling, so we run wild and free. Wild and free. Focus our eyes on
Pinag-ipunan naman namin yon, so okay lang naman. Basta mag-enjoy yung bata. Isa kasi siya sa, sa milestone ng bata.
Happy birthday. Since day 1 na tumating ka sa amin, pinangako ko sa sarili ko is lagi kitang gagabayan, aalagaan at mamahalin bilang sarili kong anak. Every day, lagi ako nandito para sa'yo kahit anong mangyari.
the mountains, deep in the heart of the sea.
Happy birthday. Wish you good health. I love you.
Wild and free.
ate. Love you.